What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn on or off the hardware acceleration or the performance settings on the Mozilla Firefox web browser into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, launch our Mozilla Firefox web browser. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to the closing table icon, you have these three little dots. Click on it and scroll down until you find the option called Settings, okay? Once on Settings, stay on General from the left side of menus and scroll down just a little bit until you find the Performance Settings, okay? It's right here, okay, the Performance Settings. And now all you have to do is unmark this option, use recommended performance settings, and now you can mark or unmark the use hardware acceleration when available. If you enable this setting, you're gonna be able to load videos faster, to load web page faster using your GPU, okay, your graphics card, your graphics drives, but you may need to disable this sometimes, okay, to test some applications or maybe to test some things. So this is how to disable. Simple, right? And that is no need to save, no need to relaunch. I recommend that you close the browser and reopen it to make the change have effect and full effect, but up to you. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!